Greetings, 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 and welcome to the quantum side of addiction. I'm your host, Big Joe, and this is The Vortex, where we focus on becoming the person that we know we are on the inside, and we structure our life, we structure our lives around this big picture. The good big picture, not the bad big picture. Because the bad big picture, we walked away from that. So now we're walking towards the new big picture every day, daily. We're structuring our life around this new big picture. That's the only thing we focus on, is walking into the new me, the new and improved, better me. If it's to better me, if it's to make me smarter, if it's to teach me something I didn't know that will increase me, I'm all for it. The company I keep, if it's company that encourages me to be better than the person I was before, if it's anything related to empowering my mind, I'm all for it. And I'm walking towards this person daily. Okay? That's the quantum side. That's the quantum side of things in a nutshell. Welcome. When I come back, I'll be going over today's topic. Stay tuned. Welcome back. You might say, well, you didn't go anywhere. That's your mind. That's all in your perception. Stay in your lane. Today's topic is a two-sided topic. This is really a part two. How do we become successful? How do we establish success? And the part two of it is, what does it mean? What does it mean to burn the boat? If you want to take the island, burn the boat. Back in the ancient Roman, Greek Roman days, I'm not sure who it was, but he came up with, he was a ruler, and he invaded another land. And he told the men, he said, burn the boats. After they sailed to the other place where it was about to go down at, and they were ready for war. After the men got off the boat, right at the shore of the new territory that they were about to go to battle with, the ruler told the men, burn the boats. Burn them. And the men were like, what the hell? So how are we going to get home? Gentlemen, if you want to get home, you have to conquer this new land. If you want to see your loved ones again, if you want to go back to your kids, if you want to be somebody, you have to conquer this new land. And you have to go in it and be relentless. Take no prisoners, ask no questions, and keep it moving. You can't stop. You gotta conquer everything. That's the only way you're getting home alive. That thought, that those words cast a spell in the men's mind that was do or die. And they conquered the land. Many of them went back. Many of them didn't even go back. They set up right where they were and made the new homes right there. They found new wives. They started new families. But many of them went back and came. They conquered, built new ships and stuff, and went back and got their families and did whatever. But if you want to win the war, if you want to conquer the land, burn the boats. Get rid of everything that you came with. Get rid of everything. All the thoughts, all the people, everything that brought you to this point. Get rid of it. And become a new person and conquer the new land. The second part is, how do we become successful? Success is not something we become. Rule number one, success, you don't become successful. All right? You attract success. Success is something that comes to you because you attract it. You send off a field that says, I need success. Success is on all these antennas that reach out from you. And these antennas are magnetic fields that attract everything that's on your frequency. And you get exactly what you deserve. So until you can uh, um, tune in to the right frequency to attract what you want, you're going to keep attracting the same thing over and over again. If you want something new, if you want to change, you have to rearrange, uproot, regrow, think, stop, shut up, and grow all over again. Abandon all the bad habits. Burn the boats. Burn all your boats, because all the boats are is your ego, things that your ego built up that didn't get you anywhere but right where you are. But guess what? It's not going to get you where you want to go. So you have to burn all those boats. We may not be able to do all that we find out, but find out all that there is to do. And I say that on the tail end of uh your 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 imagination is the key to your life. Your imagination comes up with ideas, okay? And quite frankly, there's nothing an idea can get you out of. If you have the ability to come up with new ideas, okay, you have the ability to grow. An idea will get you back on the treadmill. An idea will bring you your next dollar. An idea will give you the urge to be a better person when you're stuck in a rut and can't get out of it. Your mind will say, aha, it's time. An idea will wake you up out of your sleep and say, write this down, hurry up. An idea will say, I found a way out. In order to establish a new idea, you have to reprogram your mind to think in another direction, or all your ideas will lead you back down the same pathway. You see the science in that? If you don't burn all your boats, your boats are going to sail right back into the port that you're used to. That's the quantum side of things.